Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these multicolor press-on French tip nails. These are of gel. You get a total of 192 pieces in this set. Alright, so today we happen to get our gel nail set. This one here comes with 192. You get different colors. So they have base coat, no base coat needed. Soft gel tips fits any nail bed. They are tip primer, no need to file. These are 3-in-1 coat tips, French tip nails. They come in several different colors, as you can see right here. They've got really light, they've got really dark. So the case itself is 22.3 centimeters long and the height is 7 centimeters. So this one is a perfect set of nails. All you gotta do is put the stickers on or use glue, which this kit does come with everything on it. This press-on nails, they are almond shaped, up to 1 week of wear, 5-minute application. These are fully customizable, they are waterproof, and you can reuse these again. So if you want to use the stickers, you can use the stickers, or if you want to use glue, you also can use glue. They contour to your fingernails, as you can see right here. It doesn't matter which one I use. They come in very, very small, all the way up to big, which these ones here are too small, so you might have to go up a little bit. But they do give you a whole set of them to do. So these are enjoyable, flexible. Using these French tip nails are super easy. All you got to do is use the stickers or the glue. These manicure press-on are perfect for manis seeking the classic look. It is super easy. All you have to do is add these stickers or glue, and then you just pop them right on there. You don't have to file them. As you can see, these are almond shaped. With these French tip gel nails, it is easy as 1, 2, 3. You just choose the right size, apply the nail art and the adhesives, and you will have your perfect nail. And they do give you several different colors to choose from. You've got light yellow, kind of one that looks yellow. You got like a brown, you got a black. So this one here is more of like a French tip with a darker brown. But you do get the choice of choosing between each one of these ones. Each one of these little sticks has 24 fingers. You can use them, reuse them. You can add different ones if you want to do a light pink. You want to do a more of a brown. You can see right there, this one just sits right on there. It actually fits my fingernails, and it's kind of hard to find anything that fits my fingernails. I'm just going to hold it on here for demonstration purposes. But I like the fact that you do get 192 pieces in this set. So each one of these has 24. So you get 24 in each set. And then you have the dongles, you've got the filer here, and you've got the stickers. So everything that you need to get started is right here in this little kit. If you're looking for a nice little nail kit and you like the almond shape, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. This one does also come with a carrying case, so if you choose to go for a different color, they're super easy to take with you, and these are really nice.